welcome back again to my channel. It's another Vlogmas. So I thought within this Vlogmas, let's do some cooking. So here I'm cooking catfish and yam together in a pepper soup sauce, and this is me just cutting up the yam to be sure that there are no spoiled sections in the yam. So I'm just dicing it up, and then we will go from there. There we are. Right, as you can see from here, the yam has all been washed, it's been sliced, and now I'm just washing it to be sure there are no stones or sands in this yam at all. I tend to wash it a couple of times, and I'm just so looking forward to cooking this dish and then settling down to enjoy it. My kid also enjoy this a lot, like they really love this delicacy, and I just can't wait. When you see these big pots in my house, you should know that I am cooking something that the family enjoys. I can't remember the last time I've used this pot to cook. I love using this pot, especially for my jollof rice. So anytime you see a huge pot like this in my kitchen or out on the cooker, that's because I'm cooking a delicacy for the family. So that's me just ensuring that I can cut the view properly for you guys. There we are. Right, so that's the yam in the pot right now, and I'm just adding some sliced onions to the pot. You just want to make sure. I like when I'm making stuff like this, I like to boil my onions together with the yam. So here is my catfish, and it's already defrosted. There's two small ones and there's one big massive one. So right here I'm just washing it up to remove all the slime and the blood. I know some people don't really like catfish, but there was a time I really do enjoy eating catfish as well, but nowadays I enjoy using it or eating it this way. So here I'm just taking my time to wash the fish, and here this is me just seasoning it with some curry, some nor cubes, ensuring they are all properly seasoned. So that's got my ginger there, you can see there. Ensure it's properly seasoned, and I didn't wait for too long with this one, so I just kind of like had all the seasonings, rubbed the seasonings in with my hand, covered it up, and placed it in the fridge till the yam was soft enough for me to add the yam. Look at that big one, like I'm eyeing that head. I'm gonna hit that head for myself. Yeah, so that's the fish getting spiced, rubbing it in to make sure it's really salt, so you can feel the spice in the fish. Yeah, that's me rubbing it well. Look at the head of the fish. So this is back to the yam, checking the progress of it boiling. It's doing well just now. Yep. So that's probably been boiling for about 5-10 minutes. So you're just going to make sure it's properly boiled, soft enough, and at some point I'm going to start using that wooden spoon to break it as if you are cooking porridge. So that's the notion I'm giving it. Once it's properly boiled and it's soft, then I can smash it up as if you are doing like a mashed potato or something. So you want it to be a bit soft. You're going to break some of the yams, and then you're not entirely going to break everything, Right, so this is me. This yam has been cooking for the past 10-15 minutes. So with this pot, it's not the kind of pot that takes it in quickly. So this yam has been cooking for almost 15 minutes, and I can see that I give it a thumbs up. Like, it's soft enough for me to start breaking down some of the yam in a bit. I've not got a potato masher, so I'm going to be using some of that turning wood there to break the yam. Break some of it, because you don't necessarily have to break all of the yam, but you want to give it some juice, if I should call it that way. So you don't want it to be too thick. So here I'm just adding my seasoning. I love this jumbo aroma multi-purpose seasoning. I love. And as you all know me, when I'm cooking, I don't add salt at the beginning. I add all of my seasoning. So that is my pepper soup spice going in there. So I think I used about 2 or 3 spoons there. Yeah, because that's the base of the sauce. Pepper soup spice is the base of the sauce. So yeah, I guess that's 3 spoons that I've used there. add the sauce in, stir. So at this moment I'm cooking on low heat. I'm cooking on low heat at this moment because I don't want this yam to get burnt in any way. So that's me just stirring the sauce in to make sure it's fully incorporated into the yam. And here I'm just about to add the fish. Obviously the yam is nearly done, so I've just got maybe like a few more minutes till the yam is properly done. That's when I'm adding the fish, because I don't want the fish to end up breaking all over in the yam. So adding in the fish, stir it gently afterwards. Stir it gently afterwards. So right now you can stir it this way without running the risk of breaking the fish, but I'm just getting it stirred gently. And then I'm feeling for taste. So yeah, my thumbs up again. We don't need anything else. Seasoning is good. Cover it to steam now on low heat, and you're stirring gently because you don't want to break the fish. So stirring gently because we don't want to break the fish. You want to hit the fish as a whole. Why eating the porridge? Yep, that's what you want. I'm still cooking on low heat. This food is about to be served. It's ready, and here comes to the end of the cooking. Guys, if you have enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you do not miss any other video and any other vlogmas from me. Like, I absolutely enjoy this food. And don't forget to share this video as well, and also don't forget to buy me a coffee. There's a link in the description box. Bye.